We
Ladies.
appreciate you
Ladies,
basing on what the mother of Honorable Ssegirinya, the late Honorable Ssegirinya, has done. In the holy book of the Bible, in the book of Ecclesiastes, it is written, there is time for everything. There is time to be born and time to die. There is time to be happy and a time to be sad. However, my special message goes to the judiciary. Dear our land friends, where did your Ubuntu go? In Uganda, we know bail is not a privilege. It is a right. But these days we hear you are working under decrees. Where did your Ubuntu go? Lastly, Right Honorable Speaker, we appreciate all you give to members, all whatever you give to members of parliament. But however, as we parliament, we should work for free medical insurance for every Ugandan, regardless of your status. May your soul rest eternal peace.
Flavia, then Honorable Minister.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Thank you very much, Madam.